basically, we need
Ideas.
of course, no, really? I know we need ideas. Oh, Haven, keep it in your pants. Haven, keep it in your pants. Haven, sweetie,
Okay,
keep it in
Tom.
your pants. We need song ideas. So, if you have any ideas, just bust one out like out of nowhere. Look at the song apparently, because I have like I don't know whatever.
You know
I have my
what? You
music.
know what? It doesn't need to be a song.
Okay, it doesn't need to be a song. It doesn't have to, apparently. So, whatever. Like if you want us to do something stupid, we're good at that. We can do something stupid. We do it every day. Every day. I don't know, just like bust out anything, and we'll pretty much do it. So it doesn't matter what subject it is. Well, it does depend, but we're not doing those ones. Because it's not how we roll. Okay. So, yeah, pretty much. Ideas. We need them all. So, deuces.
Yeah.
Amen. You suck.